Wednesday. Thank you for joining me. Well, today we are going to be doing a summertime tablescape on the table you see behind me. And I think this is the last thing we need to decorate to close out this whole space. So what I think I'll do is do the tablescape design and then do a tour of this whole space so we can then move on to other parts of the house. So here's the table. And I'm really only gonna set it for 4 people because actually I ran out of plates. So I'm gonna have chargers here and here without plates, but I'm gonna try to make it look festive. So I have these placemats from Home Goods, these chargers from Amazon. Love them because I love the white detailing around the edge, and the mirror just pops. And then I have my certified international plates. Again, I ended up using 2 of them in 2 other parts of the house just to pull in that pop of blue and yellow. So as I mentioned, I'm gonna be short too. I have some beautiful blueberry stems from Amazon. If I feel like I wanna bring in some warmth, I can then bring these in for a layered look. We shall see. So then I have these 2 glass vases that I'm using as candle holders. I might fill those with some lemons and limes. And then I have these beautiful flowers from Amazon that I might incorporate into the table with these eucalyptus stems. I was gonna do a garland, but I don't know, these are kind of nice to use. You can actually make it look like a garland. So I might intertwine the blue flowers in with this, just to add that pop of blue. So I've set the stage. Let's place these and get it looking pretty. I'm loving how the blue is tying in with this look and this look over there and here. And now I'm going to go in with these chargers. I love the pop of blue. I love the pop of white. I think it looks pretty, especially with that white hutch. Let's add the plates. Now I'm gonna go in with my certified international plates. We're not touching the end ones, just these 4 places. Sorry, I have 2 daughters that are with us for the summer, and they're blow drying their hair. They're getting ready to go out. So my apologies. I don't have time to wait for them. So anyway, I'm gonna use what I had as my centerpiece previously for spring because I like it. Hold on. I have this woven basket tray filled with boxwood topiary balls. And I found this thrifting, and I love this iron cloche top. And I'm gonna put this in the center because it ties in really well with that mirror. And I like keeping the colors sort of consistent. So I'm gonna put this in the center, and then I'm gonna work in some blue flowers and eucalyptus and blueberry picks sort of along the way. You'll see. And now I'm gonna place a glass vase on either side of the centerpiece. Now I've decided to put a few blueberry picks on the inside. Idea would be to put some greenery down below, some wispy greenery, maybe some of that fake moss. I'll link it for you guys. That would look really good down below, and then stick these into the moss so it's not so branchy looking. I kind of like it just as is.
I think I found my favorite destruction. At least I'm in line with this attraction.
Now, what I'm gonna do is take my eucalyptus stem and I'm gonna put one here and then one on the other side as my base. See how I sort of just wrap that around the candle holder? Now I'm gonna do that on the other side. And just so you see, I just sort of like angled it. And so that's what it looks like. And now I have some lemons and limes, and I thought I would just sort of drop them in. So now what I've decided to do is take these beautiful blue flowers from Amazon and stick them into the middle and sort of pull them through the opening just a little bit, just to add that pop of blue. So I think this looks awfully cute, very garden summer-esque. But now I have these lemons, and I thought it would be fun just to kind of scatter a few here and there. Now I'm coming around to the back side to do the same thing so that it looks good from all sides. See what it would look like with all the plates. So that's what it looks like with all the plates. But like I said, I'm using this one and this one in a different area, but I kind of like the end ones without a plate just because I like that reflective property. I think it looks really pretty. Well, that will wrap up my video. We have now finished this side of the house and we will be moving onto the kitchen and coffee bar probably. But I think on Friday, it's gonna be a wonderful haul you do not wanna miss. One of my favorite brands is Mud Pie, and boy, did I find some unique pieces. I cannot wait to share them with you. They are perfect for the kitchen, perfect for summer styling, and I think you're gonna love it. And I got a couple viral things I've seen on Pinterest and other places that I scored at Home Goods. It's not the exact viral one, but it's close enough for me and at a great price. So that will probably be Friday, and then the following week we'll move into the kitchen and the butler's pantry. And so I hope to see you then. If you enjoyed today's video, please give me a big thumbs up because it truly does help my channel and I greatly appreciate it. Have a good one. Love you all so much. Mwah. Bye guys.